Applying AI to global pharmaceutical research is difficult. Pharma companies face growing data volumes, slow legacy systems, and strict regulatory demands across the R&D chain. Now, to solve these governance and scalability challenges, IT leader TCS has officially launched TCS Ad Agent Hub. Getting you the details in just a short moment from now, but first an update. At Cypher 2026, ladies and gentlemen, we are bringing together extraordinary minds across all domains, featuring Indian chess grandmaster Arjun Erigaisi, creative media producer Lakshmi R. Iyer, and climate tech innovator Sumit Dakar. Whether it is mastering decision-making under pressure or scaling sustainable AI solutions, this is a stage you don't want to miss. Join us at KTPO Bengaluru this October. Now here's the story. Built on the TCS ad architecture, the role-based platform brings an audit-ready agentic AI workforce directly into the clinical trials and drug safety operations. The core strategy behind TCS Ad Agent Hub is enabling a human plus AI operating model. Now, instead of replacing workforce oversight, AI agents are embedded into enterprise workflows with humans retaining responsibility for governing and decision-making. The platform offers rapid integration across specialized workflows. For clinical operations, the platform shall provide protocol digitization, study design, clinical data review, and study data tabulation model transformation. On the other hand, these services are set to deal with individual case safety report intake, data entry, medical coding, literature analysis, and medical monitoring assistance. TCS, in fact, confirmed that solutions powered by the platform yield impressive operational returns. Clinical data management activities seen up to 40% efficiency gains. Clinical study builds efforts drop by up to 30% through metadata-driven automation. End-to-end safety case processing costs drop by up to 30%, while AI-powered safety agents cut quality control effort by up to 50%. This high-profile platform launch comes at a very, very critical juncture for the conglomerate. Now, of course, following N. Chandrasekharan's announcement that he will step down as Tata Sons chairman by February 2027, the group faces an upcoming leadership transition. Market sentiment dipped sharply on the news of impending board overhaul, making product execution critical. Rolling out enterprise platforms like Ad Agent Hub serves a clear strategic purpose here. It is proving to global investors and enterprise clients that TCS's operational engine remains firmly focused on high-margin innovation. TCS Life Sciences and Healthcare President Debashish Ghosh emphasized that the platform marks a crucial shift from reactive to proactive operations in a constantly changing regulatory climate. Ghosh, in fact, highlighted that the strategy is to essentially accelerate drug development and protect patient safety. Ladies and gentlemen, here, of course, is the front page take on the story. By putting AI agents to work inside clinical trials under human governance, TCS is demonstrating that agentic AI can deliver massive productivity gains while keeping compliance fully intact. But the question here is this: does embedding an agentic AI workforce into pharmaceutical R&D prove that regulated industries are finally ready for full-scale automation? Or will strict audit demands slow down this new enterprise-wide deployment phase altogether? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AIM Network. Like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AI.